Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you the glowing color grading on CapCut, or how you can create a glowy coloring for your video in CapCut. So first, just prepare your clips and then go to the video effects, click on lens category and add the edge glow effect. Okay, this one, adjust the effect to 45. Click on a check icon and now I'll apply the effect for all of your clips. Now go to filter, click on the mono category and then find the fade filter. Set it to 25. Okay, and go to adjust, set the brightness into -5, contrast 10, saturation -10, click on sharpen and set it to 100, and highlight 10, shadow -5, temperature -5, and then add some vignette effect. You can just set it to your liking, but I'm going to just set it to 5. And now you are done, and here is the glowy or glowing coloring for your video. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on a thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.